Our next exhibitor has a name you probably fastest catch up what it's all about. It's Startup Autobahn. Basically means the fast lane for startups. They really mean it. Welcome to GreenTech Festival, Atanas.
Oh, hi, and thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
You are part of the startups and you are a representative of Startup Autobahn. Why are you so excited to join the festival this year?
Well, the GreenTech is a perfect festival that you can see a lot of innovation. There are a lot of companies that we'd love to work with, and there are showcases what industry titans are doing right now in the field.
Was there a specific thing you were looking for to experience, to go around?
Well, of course, we're looking for more and more companies to work together because it's our mission to do strategic partnerships and advance sustainability on the market. And we're very excited to check out what the leaders in the industry are doing over there.
Yeah, so sustainability is a keyword on the GreenTech Festival, also for Startup Autobahn. What does it mean for you?
Well, it's one word. Sustainability means future. So it's no longer an ideological thing, nor is it a capitalist thing. It's just the only logical way to step forward into the future.
I briefly introduced Startup Autobahn at the beginning. Maybe you can give us a little bit more details what it's all about.
Yeah, sure. I'd love to. So Startup Autobahn is the most successful open innovation platform in Europe. We had the pleasure to be part of the 7th edition. And it was maybe one of the most crucial points in our development as a startup. Because Startup Autobahn does something very cool. They pin startups that have innovative technology with industry leaders. And they have 100 days to create an amazing product and put it on the market. So this helps in both ways. A, rapid innovation in industry leaders, which has huge impact. And B, startups get amazing traction. Which brings in more and more people on board. So it's good for both parties.
What kind of companies is it? Is it not just like a several? I think it's around 30.
Well, every batch is different, but the best thing ever is that these 20 or 30 companies get to speak with Daimler, with Porsche, with Bosch, and other industry titans, and make things happen faster.
So they have a big influence on the little and small startups to grow up. What is like the influence, how do they develop sustainability in the whole process?
Well, sustainability is a crucial part, and sustainability is a very complex issue. And what startups do very good is they do innovation very fast. And when you get this and combine it with a large company, you make magic.
Let's have a look at your exhibition. You are one of the startups. You brought yourself here. Yeah. What do we see here?
So we're Biomic.
Yeah.
We do sustainable design from new environmentally friendly materials. Our expertise is with mushroom material, which is a cool material made of agricultural waste and the root structure of mushrooms, and 3D printing. So what we do is work with industry leaders like the production planning department at Mercedes, as well as other companies that do sustainable products, and we help them create innovative products and put them in production.
What else can be created by mushroom materials? First time I heard about.
Well, it's a very cool substitute for styrofoam, but it doesn't end there. You can do construction materials, interior design projects, and of course packaging. But we as Biomic are mostly active in the automotive sector and in the packaging sector.
Cool, nice.
Yeah.
And there's another startup, it's Chargery. Could you give us a little hint about?
I believe all 3 startups that were brought here today are amazing. So Chargery is a very cool startup. They have had amazing growth since their founding date from 2017. They provide a full tailored solution for people that have sustainable fleets. Now, they grew from 3 people to 200 people, and I think that's unbelievable.
Okay,
yeah.
Thanks. I'm going to turn around. Thank you for the information.
Sure.
And
thanks a lot.
I want to talk about with Circular. Hello, you too?
Hi.
What is Circular about?
Well, I guess our starting point is that like global supply chains are complex and most importantly deal with environmental and human rights issues. So what Circular does is we empower businesses to fully manage their supply chain and drive sustainability forward. So what we do is we create an immutable record of the chain of custody of materials, linking the final product back to their source. And this traceability data then can be used for institutions or companies to make more informed business decisions about their carbon footprint.
you really care about social responsibility with your project. Also, you trace conflict material.
Yes, like for example, for our client Volvo, we trace cobalt from the mines in the DRC all the way to the final product, which is in this case the lithium-ion battery of electric vehicles. And yeah, along the way we make sure that throughout the supply chains no human rights are being violated, and that the company can cascade down its code of conduct from the product till its source.
You're also part of startup Autobahn. How did they help you to develop?
They did very well because they invested in us. So in October 2019, Said Amidi, the founder and CEO of Startup Autobahn, announced alongside Total and Volvo and Systemic an investment into us. So they've been a great help.
Did they have with more than money, insights, contacts?
They helped us connect to Daimler. So Daimler is now a client of us, and we trace or we attribute CO2 emissions to the products, also going from source till the original product. In this case, again, the electric battery.
Okay, thank you very much for the insights, and good luck, and great that you're here. Okay, thanks.
Thanks for having us.